Well, my wife wanted me to clean this out. I didn't think it was that dirty. Dang it. I guess maintaining this stuff is important. Who knows? Just a bunch of leaves and stuff at the bottom of the AC. There we go. Yeah, I think that all cleaned up. Is that dirty? Yep, that was dirty. There you go. Clean it up. Oh my gosh, that's getting precarious right there. Look at this situation. Oh my God. There we go, clean this up. Yeah, you gotta clean things up. That's the moral of this story. Sorry for the cursing. Didn't say that word. Didn't say what it was. Well, now not only do I have to fix, or I guess clean, it's pretty clean looking already. Blow it out a bit. Oh, anyways, this thing stopped sucking. Probably because I cursed or something in that last video. I'm sorry about that. Look at this. It's still doing it, but it's not sucking anything. No suction. What to do about it? Oh, shit. Oh, there we go. Alright, hold it out. Take a look at it. Turn it off, I guess. Yeah, let's see what's going on the inside here. Hey-yo, what's going on? Why is there no suction? Where's my suction? Get out of there, you drywall dust. I need more suction. Why aren't you sucking? Yeah, it's suction of fun. Yeah. Quit calling me. Here we go. Oh, that ball was probably not in the right position or something. Oh, I got this thing so jacked up in there. Where'd the bottom go? That's dirty. There we go. All right. Maybe now it'll suck. What I bought it for doesn't always work for me though, for some reason. It doesn't like sucking for me. All right, let's see if this works now. Get this out of here. Oh, look, I pulled that out. Safety. There, now it's positioned in the correct... Oh, shit! Well, that's close enough, isn't it? Yeah, that'll work. Just gotta push the on button somehow. Yep, just turn it on before it falls down up in there. There we go. Is it sucking? Yeah, it's sucking now. Here we go. Back in business. Hard to like suck and watch this through the film, you know. There's not as much production that way. You know, to each their own on that. Some of you know what I'm talking about, probably. I used to do that way. Then I got married. Oh my God. What fun we can have now. so much fun that we had a baby just 6 weeks ago. One of the best things that's ever happened to me. I don't know about you guys. But I finally started learning a little bit about response. You guys missed that, but my wife just came out to check on me. And she's like, my wife's making me do all these chores right back at me. Well, I mean, that's how the conversation ended with her leaving. Which is weird because I just said that like a couple minutes ago. She knew it. She knew what I was talking about. Even though she wasn't even out here. It was awesome. Made me laugh. Yeah. Have a good day. Wait, this is still looking at me. Yeah, I got this put back together. Screwed back in, and then I just gotta plug this back in. Right, yeah. Danger. And it's probably working now. Let's put it back together anyways. Don't need the AC today. It's pretty cool here.